Tristan, ikaw ba ang mastermind? I'm talking to you, please.
Hindi po.
So if it's not you, it's Lynn. Tama ba? As the top-performing students in this school, here, your report cards. Basahin niyo. Paalala lang. Uulitin ko ang tanong. Sino sa inyo ang mastermind sa cheating na nangyari? Kung walang aamin sa inyo, both of you will be punished. Who is it?
Wala po kayong ebidensya. At hindi po fair ito na pinipilit niyo kami.
Susagutin niyo nga ako, sino? If no one will take accountability, I will choose for you. Bangkat, you are no longer a scholar. Understood?
Ma'am Perez, hindi po pwede yun. Walang kasalanan po si Bang.
Sige. Aamin na ako.